Imagine a world where justice is truly served, where no one is oppressed, and where human dignity is respected at all levels. The Quran, revealed over 1400 years ago, presents a universal message of justice and humanity that remains relevant today. Whether you are Muslim or not, this message is for everyone, because justice and human rights are not just religious concepts. They are the foundation of a peaceful society. Let's explore how the Quran speaks about justice, fairness, equality, and human dignity. 1. Justice is a divine command. Justice is not just a moral value in Islam, it is a direct command from God. The Quran states, "O you who believe, stand firm for justice, even if it is against yourselves, your parents, or your relatives." 4:135. This means justice should not be based on bias, emotions, or personal gain. No favoritism, no corruption, just pure fairness. 2. Justice for all, not just for Muslims. The Quran's message of justice is universal. It commands, "Do not let hatred of a people prevent you from being just. Be just. That is closer to righteousness." 5:8. Even if you dislike someone, you must be fair to them. Imagine if this principle was applied everywhere today. Wars, discrimination, and unfair treatment would drastically decrease. 3. Protection of human life. Human life is sacred in Islam. The Quran states, "Whoever kills a soul unjustly, it is as if he has killed all of humanity, and whoever saves a soul, it is as if he has saved all of humanity." 5:32. This verse emphasizes the value of every human life, Muslim or non-Muslim. 4. No compulsion in religion. Islam does not force anyone to accept its teachings. The Quran is clear. There is no compulsion in religion. The right path has been made distinct from the wrong. Everyone has the right to choose their faith. Justice demands that no one be pressured into believing something they do not accept. 5. Fair treatment of non-Muslims. Islam commands Muslims to treat non-Muslims with fairness and kindness. Allah does not forbid you from being kind and just to those who do not fight you because of your religion. 60:8. As long as people are peaceful, they should be treated with respect and fairness. 6. Economic justice and fair trade. A society cannot be just if its economy is corrupt. The Quran warns, "Do not consume one another's wealth unjustly or use it to bribe those in authority." Justice in business means fair wages, no exploitation, no corruption. 7. Justice in leadership and governance. A just society requires just rulers. The Quran commands, "Indeed, Allah commands you to render trust to whom they are due, and when you judge between people to judge with justice." 4:58. Leaders must rule with fairness and never misuse their power. 8. Justice for women and gender equality. The Quran was revealed in a time when women had no rights. It changed the system by granting them the right to own property, the right to inheritance, the right to education, the right to choose their spouse. It says, men and women are allies of one another. They enjoin what is right and forbid what is wrong. 971. Men and women are partners in society, not rivals. 9. Justice in war and conflict. Even in war, Islam does not allow injustice. The Quran commands, "And do not transgress. Indeed, Allah does not like transgressors." No killing innocent people, no harming women, children, or the elderly, no destruction of homes or places of worship. Even in conflict, justice must be maintained. Final message: the Quran's universal call for justice. The Quran's message on justice is for all of humanity. Justice starts with us, in our daily lives, our relationships, and how we treat others. No matter who you are, where you're from, or what you believe, justice is your right and your responsibility. Let's work towards a world where justice is upheld, not just in words, but in actions. If you found this message insightful, share it with others so they can benefit too. Justice begins with awareness, and awareness begins with knowledge. Let's spread this message together.